How's it doing everybody, I'm Tika here back with another video and welcome to Balloon Tower Defense Battle. Well, it's been a while since I uploaded any Balloon Tower Defense video, so I'm so sorry guys for that, but from now I will try to turn my focus a little bit more toward Balloon Tower Defense Battles and upload more videos of it, alright? So, today we are going to try to get a really great epic late game match because it's been a while since I got into a great late game match because I always end up facing some opponent who don't wanna go late game or he can't go late game because I don't know, they are such a douchebag. So what do we have here to go late game? So R3, I don't think that's a good thing to go late game. Speed with fire, nah. Alright, Mega Boost, sort of. Let's see what do else. Alright, Bonanza. We have Bonanza, so there is no way that we are not going to get into this. So and the Cobras are banded too. So definitely we are going to go late game on this, and we are going to see who we are facing in this. So let's get into this.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we find ourselves match against Karen 3R XD Diet Face, maybe it's a Diet Face. So I think he's pretty right because he's going to die. I don't want him to die because I am trying to go late game. This map, well, I think it's a good map because it's a very large map, so we can go late game. So I'm choosing Cannon, Wizard, obviously Super Monkey. Let's see what do we have here for bonus. Sniper, no man. Alright, that's a good thing because I never tried this village so much, but recently I was watching a lot of videos and YouTube were using this what do you say, village, and the village looks like to me now are pretty damn good towers to go late game. So we are going to choose that. Alright. So we start off our wizard, give him that the lightning bolt, and now we are going to start off by sending him eco because I love eco so much. If you watch my recent video, you know me that I love eco so much, and he's just alright. He's also sending me eco. That's a pretty good thing that if he's sending me eco, he has no farm, so it means he also wants to go late game. If your opponent is not sending me you eco, and it definitely means he does not want to go late game. So see if he's sending me balloons. Alright, so round 4 is here. Now we can send him blues, and the blues, each and single balloons is giving me 3.4 eco. I mean, oh my god, this is amazing. That's why I love Bonanza. You got double eco on every single balloon that you're going to send. Seriously, that's why I love it. I seriously love it. Alright, so our wizard is doing a phenomenal job in stopping all these. So now I'm thinking to just buy ourselves a cannon like right over here and give him this cluster bomb, big missile. There you go. Now there's no doubt that we have a lot more better defense than him right now. So now we can send him greens over here. He's sending me greens. He's doing a good job, and alright, now he upgraded. Because if he's not gonna upgrade it, then he might gonna end up losing some health. So now he's good. He's totally good to go. Alright, so now we are track of eco. Round 7 is about to end, and we are about to get ourselves an eco of 1000. There you go. We have now have an eco of 1000. I'm sure he almost have a eco of 1000. That's a pretty good thing, because now we are going to go late game, and I hope that he has a super monkey too, because if he does not have a super monkey or something like which is can go late game, then I don't know what should I say. Alright, so he started sending me yellows. I'm going to start him sending yellows. So I think pretty much doing a great job. I don't need to worry any balloon is going to go through. Round 10 is about to here. Let me quickly get ourselves. Alright, right now he has no camo detection at all. So I'm a little bit curious about him. Well, I'm not going to send him any sort of. Oh, I think if I'm not gonna upgrade it, there you go. Let me buy myself one super monkey at this very end, giving the blaster a little bit more. There you go. This will keep us a little more longer. Now it's time to send pink, because pink is the key to increase your eco. Without you can, I mean, you know, pink is the best for sending the eco, because they are so fast. They go really quickly and give you 7.2 eco on every single ping that you send, and it only costs $90. And if you have able to get your hand on an eco of around 2500 or maybe 20, what is sending me zebras? I don't know what in the world he's doing. Hope he's not trying to. I seriously hope that he does not want to kill me right now. I seriously hope that he wants to go late game with me. Alright, now we have a eco of 3000. It means now we can send him unlimited pings without stopping. As you can see, we can send unlimited pings without stopping, and it will going to raise our eco as well as the money in our bank. Seriously, this is the point of an eco where you can send unlimited. Alright, we're going to get a balloon impact, because if he can hold with a balloon impact as well as this wizard, how am I not able to get? I don't know. Look like to me he has a better defense, because my balloons are going a little bit more further than him. I don't know how is it happening. I think it is because my cannon placement. Whatever. So we are going to upgrade this there. There you go. Now we have a good defense, because all the balloons that he's going to send are also going to get targeted by a super monkey. So that's good thing. Alright. So wow, look at this. His defense is holding up phenomenally late by now. It's round 19 and his defense is stopping all the balloons. Just like a piece of cake for him. And for me, I need one super monkey extra to stop all my balloons. And we both are sending the same eco balloons. I don't know. Well, whatever. So we are going to get our first sun god over here. There you go. Our first sun god is rolling. I'm pretty sure now we don't need to upgrade for a while now. And I'm 100% sure that he has tons of money in his bank right now, because he is still sending me balloons and balloons and not upgrading a single. He's not didn't put a single dollar in upgrading his tower so far now. It's making me a little bit I don't know. Hope he's not preparing for a rush, or I'm pretty sure. I think he can send me a Kamura. That's why I'm going to buy myself a village. I don't know. I don't know. Let me tell this, because my alright, put this here. Increase. There you go. There you go. Alright, we are going to buy ourselves this and this. There you go. Now we are going to get ourselves 8.6 eco on every single thing that we are going to send, as well as now our super monkey can see camos. Alright, he has a super monkey. He's making, oh my god, he making his temple at the very corner of there. So I didn't able to see that. So I think I'm going to sell this up, because it's not going to need. I thought that he's saving up for a rush, so now we don't need anything. Alright, because he's preparing for his temple. Now I think I need to prepare my temple. Alright, so we are going to need for my temple. I'm going to make a really strong health temple as I can. For my temple, I'm going to need 4 of these super monkey. There you go. And now we need 4 cannons. I'm going to put my temple each of a kind of my tower, because there are 2 ways to upgrade your cannon as well as to upgrade your. Okay, I think give this and give this. There you go. and now we need 4 wizard. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Everything is coming in the radius. Yeah, there you go. Now we need to upgrade all these all up. There you go, technological terrors. For my temple, I'm going to need 2 technological terror, 2 sun gods. There we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 efficient Moab efficients. 1, 2, and 2 balloon impacts. Fully upgraded cannons. There you go. And now I'm going to need 2 Simeon Phoenixes. Upgraded, fully upgraded, fully upgraded. No need to save money over here. Alright, he already has his first tower, and I'm going to need Tempest, Tornado over here, 2 of them too. Now everything is now fully upgraded. Now we have to save up $100,000 to get ourselves our first ever temple, and because we are then and in the meantime we are going to send him balloons while we are saving up money. Alright, so it looks like to me he's definitely going to go late game. Alright, here. Alright, so look, all these Moab are get melted just like a piece of cake. So that's a pretty good thing. We are about to reach ourselves our first temple in no minute. As we are going to get ourselves a 1000 eco, we are going to upgrade our first temple. Alright, so we are going to get ourselves a 1000 eco in no time over here. Alright, so I think that that monkey village is no need, because as you upgrade your temple with all these there you go. Look, all these, I just literally melted everything. It just melted. It just melted. How in this world is it even possible? I saw there's a way to put. There you go. Alright, we are going to construct our second temple at this. Come on. There you go, 1, 2. And there we are going to make this temple as strong as we made our first temple. So for this we are going to need come on, what, there you go. Which one is what? There you go. Give him this sun god. This is technological terror. This also going to be a technological terror. And now we don't need this to be upgraded right now. Alright, hope we can place a lot. Two more wizard. There you go, 1, 2. 1 more wizard over here. And now we just need 4 cannons. I hope we can place 4 cannons there. There you go, not a problem. And now we have to upgrade all these to the full. And then we are going to buy ourselves a monkey temple. There you go, 2 more positions. There you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Simeon Phoenixes, 2 Simeon Phoenixes, and 2 Tempest Tornado, 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't forget about the Sun God. 1 more Sun God we needed. We already have a second temple, but now we have only 1. But now we are going to send him eco as well as going to save money for our temple. Alright. He has a alright. He has a vacuum tube. Well, I think that vacuums are not so good, because when a vacuum sucks a Moab, at that time not a single temple can attack that time. So it just wastes some time, and all the Moabs come back, and you can even destroy your first temple, and all the other temple I start to come out. So it's kind of get a little bit dangerous at that time. So I don't prefer to use vacuums at that very late game match. You're going to see, if we can go late game, you're definitely going to see that he is getting a little bit in trouble. Alright, so round 35 is here. Eco is running at 11,000 of eco, and we are about to get our second temple very soon. There you go. We have enough money to go get ourselves a temple. There you go. Oh, oh, thank God. I want this one to get consumed into this, but it didn't get consumed. No worries, no worries, no worries. Alright, we are going to build ourselves a third temple. I think I'm going to build this one at right over here. Alright, so same strategy to make our temple. 4 super monkeys, 1, 2. Well, it needs actually 5 super monkeys because one is going to be converted into a temple. So, alright. What range do I do? I think we can make. Alright, so we already have 1 Simian Phoenixes, so we are going to need 1 more Simian Phoenixes and 2 Tornado Tempest. Hope we can see camos. So I think we can see camos, so there is no doubt. Need 3 more cannons. Ah man, these more have not letting me see. Ah man, don't tell me there is no way that I can place more cannon. At least let me place 1 cannon. I saw there is a point. There is a point. I saw it. There you go. Alright, more precision. Upgrade fully. So we have put only 2 of this cannon. So I'm thinking I'm going to put 1 more. I'm going to put only 2 apprentice, and instead of them I'm going to put 2 cannon. Hope we can place 1 more. Oh man, dang it. Alright. More precision, there you go. Tornado Tempest. This one is going to be the temple, so, and this is going to be a Technology of Terror. Technology of Terror. There you go. There you go. We have enough defense. Now we have to save again on the track of Eco. Alright, round 40 is here. As you can see, we already have his tank Moab on the screen. Mine getting just melted. Alright. Then realize that we just save ourselves enough money to get ourselves this temple. Ooh, hey, you know, give him the full range. We have a 3 temples. He already have a 3rd temple, and he's working on a 4th temple over here. And now, alright, he's sending me balloon. He's sending me balloon. That's a good. Alright, we are going to buy our temple right over here. Is that a good place? Or should we buy one here? Oh no, we can't buy one here, so obviously we are going to buy this one over here. Alright, same strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. 4, and the last one 5. There you go. This one going to be the temple. This is going to Technology of Terror. Technology of Terror. Thank God. My God. This is going to be so. Alright, you know what? Alright. So there you go. 2 Simian Phoenixes. 2 temple. Alright, first oh my God is here, and we are right now we are destroying our Moab. Oh my God, and he literally didn't destroy his first oh my God because his vacuum is sucked, and he's not doing a good damage at this oh my God. As you can see, he still didn't destroy his first oh my God, and all the second next round Moab are coming out, and he still have his first oh my God on this way. So see, literally I destroyed my oh my God like years ago, and his oh my God are not even now it's destroyed. So as you can see, that's why I don't prefer to use vacuums in a late game match. Alright, we are going to get 2 more semi. There you go. I also forgot about the cannons. I'm about to upgrade it without a cannon, so it's probably pretty bad choice. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need 1 more. There you go. Moab Assassin, extra round, rectangle, Moab Assassin, fake bomb, balloon impact, cannon, balloon impact, there you go. Now we have also have enough money to, there you go, given the full range. Look at this. We have 4 temples over here. He has 4 temples. I don't think that he has a strong as mine. So let's see, can we make, yeah, we can make one more over here. So we're definitely going to buy ourselves one more over at this very end. Well, I never got into a late game match in this map, so it's a quite exciting for me. I have one more tower. There you go. We are going to buy one of the temple. This is going to be a technological terror. This is going to be a sun god. What should we make this one? Let me be the sun god. Alright, so 3 zombie gods are here, and look, we are right now destroying our zombie god, but his vacuums are not letting his temple to destroy this zombie god. So it is kind of suck. Seriously, see, his vacuum doesn't let their 4 temples to get destroyed by them. Seriously, vacuums are like, no, we are not going to let you destroy, and not we are going to let destroy. See, all the Moabs are going a lot further in this on this side. Oh man, this is going should have to be the come on, technological terror. There you go. Alright, 2 Simeon Phoenixes. 2 Simeon Phoenixes. Oh, come on. Come on, where we can fit them. Alright, let's see. Alright. I think I need to put 1 cannon over here. Alright, we have to be very careful while placing the cannon. Alright, the power. Rolling. Alright, I think this can be getting inside of it. I need 1 more cannon. Can we fit one over here or somewhere like there? Ah man, it's so hard for me now. Oh, no, I thought that we can put one over here. Alright, Phoenix at temper. We have quite a good money. As soon as we upgrade this to Phoenixes, we are going to get our 5th temple pretty soon. Now we are going to. No, I don't want to surrender. Seriously, god damn it. Seriously, fuck man. This one has to be the same. There we go. Look at this. We are already at our 5th temple. He has 6 temples. I have 5 temples. But we are doing a great job. Alright. Oh my god, what am I doing? Should I place one over here? I can place one over here. And then this thing goes back to here. Technological terror. Let the power begin. Technological terror, there we go. 2 more sun gods. 1, 2, 3. Technological terror power. And they. Come on! What is going on? Come on! I literally saw. Come on, man! I hate when this happens. Alright, so. We are, I don't know, we have quite a good money, so we are not getting out of money. 2 more with, there you go, Simeon Phoenixes, 2 Simeon Phoenixes. Alright, 2 Tornado Tempest. I think we're totally out of place to put our cannon. No, we can. That's one right here. Let's start all the powers. Because as we are going to upgrade, all the power is going to vanish. So better just wasting our power usage. Alright, we will get more fat and the up. Man, at this thing I'm gonna consume, so I'm not gonna buy this. Totally not worth it. Buy this one over here. Balloon impact, there you go. Ah! Oh! Oh my god, I just saw my sun god who's going to be that temple. Ah, crap. Do it! Just do it! Look! 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 How strong am I? Can you put one over? It is kind of risky to do it. Ah, man. I don't know, should I just... Ah, man. Did I good? I don't know. Is it a good? I think it's a good choice. It's not going to get consumed. Hope it does not going to consume. But if any of my temple is going to get consumed, I'm going to take a phenomenally bad. Seriously, I mean, I'm going to have a phenomenally huge amount of loss in this game. If any of my temple is going to get consumed, I'm pretty sure I will going to end up losing over here. Round 66 is here, and it's saying 25 minutes happened at clock, but it is 27 minutes, showing so many lags over here. I don't know. Look at this side. All the balloons are going through. See how far all the Moabs and things are going through. How far. It is all just because of his vacuums and all this stuff. Well, I still need to buy myself this one is under construction, and after that I need one more temple at the very corner there, so, and then I might going to end up using all the places. Come on, use the Moab assassin. Destroy Moab. Destroy them. Oh my god, goes down. Look at his side. I mean, seriously, what is going on inside? You can't imagine. And look at my side. Clean. Clean like a heaven. Seriously. And like my side, heaven. His side, hell. Heaven, hell. Heaven, hell. Come on, man. It is all just because of these Satan vacuums. Seriously. Just one vacuum can convert your heaven into hell. Seriously. Oh, thank God. Oh, man, there you go. Now I'm thinking to buy myself one more at this very corner, and think give him this range. I think it's not gonna consume. Hope it's not gonna consume, because seriously, it's going to be my last temple. So how many do I have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to be my 8th temple. Right? I don't know how many we have right now. But his side is look like a hell. So there's no way that I can see how many temples do he has. like all the Moabs or the oh my gods are coming into my side, are coming and dying, coming, dying, coming, dying. But his side, all the Moabs are coming and stop. But stop. No, we are not gonna let you finish him right now. We want them right now. We want them. I mean, at the end, you're going to end up tons of Moab. Also, oh my god, into your screen and like fighting and fighting and fighting, and then you're also going to have a lot of lag. That this is because we are going to getting lag right now just because of him, because his side is totally got consumed by all these. I don't know, there's no place, so I'm going to just buy myself some cannons. Moab Ascension, extra range, strike bombs. Alright, there we go. Let's see how many of these we can fit over here. Alright, there's one more play for Moab Ascension. Use all these powers. Round 75 is here. Well, now I can officially declare that this is a late game. I can officially declare, because round 75, I think it is what called a late game match. Alright. There you go. Give him the perfect range of all the stuffs, and we are totally have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 temples. I really don't know that we can place 8 temples in here. I have no idea. You know what? I'm going to buy myself villages, and oh damn it. Well, now we don't need to worry about, at the round 75, we don't need to worry about all the balloons. Nah, I don't think that this is a good play. I think I want to go with this side. Let's see. Be nearby every cooldown reduced by 20%. Whatever. We are going to buy a lot of these. Maybe they also, yeah, I think they have a beam kind of thing which also destroy all the stuff. So I'm going to buy myself like not a tons of these, but seriously try to buy a lot of these. At least going to cover every single what we say, every single temple with these villages. Every single village has to be come into range of at least one temple. Oh, there's so much places for a temple. Temple doesn't take much place. Look, round 80 is here, and so many oh my gods are coming and destroying and coming and destroying, and look at his side. I don't know what is going on, which Moab is going through, which Moab, I don't know. Seriously, I think that when he's going to die, we're not even gonna let us know that, oh, he died? We're not gonna see this. Seriously, I mean, his side is seriously high. He might be also wondering what the fuck is going on his side, and I'm right now pretty happy because this game is getting hell right as I wanted, because now round 81 is here, and we got into a great late game match. This is what I wanted for a long time, but now it's finished. I did it. We did it actually. Alright, so now we have to fill all this remaining parts of the map with technological terrors. So but this is the strongest tower after this is the strongest tower technology terror after the temple. So now we can't create more temples, so we have to get roll on with that technology channel. But the problem is I can't see where to be put. I can see it, see? It's literally not letting me see where I need to place. Alright guys, so there's one thing that I need to talk with you all about. As you know that the new update came of a Balloon Tower Defense battles, according to which now you can't see you can't see your opponent, how much battle score do he has, how many wins do he has, how many lose do he has. You literally cannot see any of it. The only thing that you can see how many win percentage did he has, which is kind of suck, because if you want to go late game, just like me, I want to go late game. What happen is you see your opponent and you see how much better score do he has. If his better score is not good, I mean around 1000 and 2000, it definitely means he does not